9 most dangerous and extreme railways in the world. Would you believe the Meeklong Railway runs right through the middle of the market? When the train approaches, the vendors pull up the covering back from rails. The vendors lower their canopies and get back to their business. The train speed is only 30 km/h, and surprisingly the train doesn't have any signals on its line. It is a single-track 6-arched curved limestone railway viaduct. It spans the Landwasser between Schmitten and Philisse. It is the signature structure of World Heritage-listed Albula Railway. It's high, long, and one of its ramp directly exit to Landwasser Tunnel. Pilatus Railway, Switzerland. It is the steepest cogwheel railway in the world. One has to travel to the station at 7,000 feet above sea level. This train travels from Alpnachstad to Pilatus Kulm. It also travels from Alpine Meadows and Mountain. The Death Railway, Burma. This railway route is known by the name Death Railway owing to a tragic reason. The trains which travel on this unpredictable, mountainous route are completely exposed, since there is no real protection from falling off the tracks into the deep valleys below. There is much to this beyond the construction. While being built, approximately 100,000 POW lost their lives. Devil's Nose Train Route, Ecuador. It even has a 500 meters drop, which is almost vertical in inclination. This descent is not made for the faint-hearted. A moving train taking a free fall probably wouldn't be the best seat to be in. Rameshwaram is one of the most sacred pilgrimage destinations in India. The Chennai-Rameshwaram route involves a beautiful stretch of 65 meters which actually runs over an ocean. The bridge occasionally gets flooded by sea water. Railroad located in north-central Argentina is an absolute engineering marvel. This rail route took around 27 years to be completely constructed. The route comprises of 21 tunnels, 13 massive bridges, endless zigzag routes and spirals. The aesthetic brilliance of this route goes hand in hand with its treacherous